In this fast-changing regulatory environment, in-house legal counsel not only help navigate corporates through legal challenges, but are equally a part of their growth stories. General counsels play a critical role in shaping the country's economy through the guidance they give to corporate India. However, the in-house legal profession in India still lacks adequate recognition. While lawyers practicing independently or working in law firms are recognized under various acts and governed by a regulatory framework, lawyers who take up employment in corporates cease to fall within the ambit of that system. Neither are they allowed to plead in court. Even though in-house legal counsel provide specialized legal advice and are more directly connected to business, they are not recognized or regulated as practicing lawyers. To address this gap, the General Counsels Association of India has been formed by lawyers in corporate employment. The vision of General Counsels Association of India is to create a distinct identity for the in-house legal profession and contribute towards its development through knowledge sharing, training, mentorship, and networking opportunities and programs.
It gives me immense pleasure to share about the formation of General Counsels Association of India, or GCAI. As the Indian corporate sector developed over the past 2 decades, the need to have a voice for general counsels grew even stronger. To address this gap, the idea of GCAI was mooted a few years ago. It was felt that one of the best ways to institutionalize the in-house legal profession was by way of statutory recognition. GCAI's key objective is to create a professional body for general counsels and recognize their experience and expertise as a separate, specialized stream of legal practice in India.
Today, the role of the General Counsel has evolved, and he or she is considered a trusted legal advisor to the organization that he or she works for and provides legal services across the entire spectrum of legal work, from the strategic to the operational. Such legal services require statutory recognition and a regulatory framework. Considering the role and relevance of the General Counsel for corporate India today, it is imperative that benchmarking of general counsels is done based on their multifaceted experience and seniority, which enables them to value add to their organizations. To this end, the General Counsel Association of India is recognizing general counsels in the following categories: Associate General Counsel for GCs having over 10 years of continuous work experience, Fellow General Counsels for GCs having over 15 years of continuous work experience, and Senior General Counsels for GCs having over 20 years of continuous experience.
The role of the General Counsel has evolved from that of a support function to a pivotal role of strategizing business, enhancing its performance in consonance with the law, and hedging business risks. The contemporary role of GCs as a member of senior management is at the boardrooms and as a part of business strategy meetings, audit meetings, risk meetings, and so on and so forth. Organizations which have recognized and acknowledged this role and contributions of general counsels would always be and stay ahead of the curve.
Hi. A practicing lawyer and a general counsel complement each other in solving issues for their clients across the globe. Many common law countries, including the UK, recognize the in-house counsel legal profession, and the legislative framework applies to general counsels as well. It's time now to remove the anomaly in India. General counsel services in India must be accorded a recognition under a statute, and they also need to be governed by a regulatory body.
GCAI has received very positive feedback from the government, judicial platforms, law firms, and their associations and fellow general counsel for the need of having a GC-led association to create public opinion for ensuring statutory recognition of the profession. GCAI will work with various stakeholders and seek their feedback and collaboration for securing recognition for general counsel under various Indian laws. Then GCAI and its constituent members will assist in developing programs for professional development for in-house counsel and provide internships to students by developing legal practice specializations.
Earlier, in-house lawyer was seen as a professional with only legal knowledge who could refer to the sections and rules in the statute book. Now, in-house lawyer has a larger role in devising strategy and planning and then ring-fence it with their legal knowledge. Legal function within a corporate house has moved from perimeter to the core business decisions, and there has been a shift in the perception of the legal function from being a cost center to a profit driver or a business enabler. It is no more a peripheral role. GCs are a part of the leadership team taking business decisions. A decision which is competitive, a decision which generates better revenue, and a decision which is legally compliant. We are witnessing GCs occupying critical and senior positions within the organization, be it as a member of the board of directors or key role in risk and compliance. It is therefore the need of the hour to regulate and give statutory recognition to the role and position of a general counsel at the level similar to that of a director, CEO, or CFO, or a key managerial personnel under various laws and statutes in India.
We are unaware of any organization in India that has been formed with the aims and objectives as that of GCAI. GCAI is the only organization which has been constituted with the focus to seek recognition for general counsel's practice area, engage in professional development of general counsels, and provide internships to students. It will work as a stepping stone for the general counsel communities to stay ahead in their professional endeavors. GCAI looks to leverage upon the combined power of the general counsels pan-India to achieve the objectives for which it has been constituted.
The larger vision of the GCAI is to create a robust platform that serves as an independent voice of the General Counsel and also creates opportunities to learn from their collective wisdom through collaboration and exchange of ideas. We want to enhance awareness in the ecosystem about the role and contribution of the General Counsel and also to advance the highest ethical standards and code of conduct in the industry and in the legal profession. This enables their participation in the justice delivery system and also helps business to navigate legal, risk, and regulatory challenges.
Over time, the in-house legal profession has developed a healthy gender balance. Women GCs across sectors have risen to lead organizations and they continue to be trailblazers. At GCI, it's our endeavor to look at diversity from a broader lens. We want young lawyers from all socio-economic backgrounds, culture, and regions to feel encouraged to pursue their career path. Our mentor-mentee program, which will be created, will be led by senior legal counsels. This will help and develop young professionals in meeting expectations and encouraging them to meet challenges of an in-house role as well as in their career progression.
GCI is committed to enhancing professional excellence of general counsels and law students. GCI will provide opportunities for upskilling, mentoring, and networking to general counsels and law students. To make that happen, we are collaborating with global institutions, academia, industry, law firms, and judiciary to develop various practice areas that general counsels and law students can make use of. GCI will also create opportunities for students and young professionals in the form of trainings and internships.